Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In the last video we saw the hungry crabs moving towards the apple, and this video I'll be showing you a new concept called the video sensing, how our video is going to interact with the sprite. Okay, let's get started. So I'll just click the green flag. We'll see what was the previous program that we have run. Yes, randomly the clones are moving towards the apple. You can observe that the first sprite is remaining static over there. It's not moving. The sprite is not moving. So what we'll do, we'll hide the sprite and then show the sprite only when the clones are created. So I'll go back to the looks and I'll just take hide in the globe. I'll go to hide and just put it hide once the green flag is clicked, and then when the clone has been created they are shown. Now let's just click on the green flag. We'll see what happens. Now you can see that only the clones are moving towards the apple. That is how it is going to work. Now in order to turn on the video sensing, we have to go to this add extension block. Just go to add extension and just click on the video sensing. Oh, the video is turned on, and let's see what is this. You can see here you have turn on video. Just take this block and put it under when green flag clicked, and then we have something called video transparency. What is video transparency? Let's see what is this. I'm going to just move away all other blocks and just going to concentrate on these three blocks. Let's just test it what happens. Turn on the video, set video transparency to 50. Now the video transparency is 50%, so you can see how the video clarity is. Suppose if I'm giving 100, let's see how it happens. I'm just going to run this particular block. You can see it has become totally opaque. Supposing if I'm giving 0, it will be a full clarity in the video, you can see. So this is a proper like clear video. So for this particular game, let's put it as 50 itself. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. Now what we'll do, my video has to interact with the sprite. So how to do that? We have run all the parallel programs, like when I start a clone, do this. When I start a clone, move towards this. All those things. Same way, when I start a clone, you need to keep checking if my video is going to make an action and that action is impacting the crabs. So if that has to happen, again I have to go to control. Under control you have when I start a clone. In when I start a clone, we'll start one thing called we'll keep sensing forever. No, forever we'll keep sensing one thing, that is if the video is interacting with the sprite, the video interaction with the sprite, that is the crab, is greater than 15 pixels, then hide the crab. That is what I'm going to do now. You can either do if then loop, you can take the if then and you can work on it, or either this or another one block. You have something called wait until, so you can use wait until. I'll be showing a new one, that is a wait until. How does wait until works? So inside this, yeah, you need to put a condition. So what is the condition? We'll go to operators and take something called greater than. So we'll take greater than and just put it here. Here I'm going to give a condition that is from video sensing. Just click on the video sensing. Under the video sensing, you have something called video motion on sprite. You have a block called as video motion on the sprite. Just drag and drop it. So if the video motion on the sprite is greater than 50 is there, I'll just put it as greater than 15. That is uh, so 15 pixels. So you know that what is pixel? Pixel is the smallest unit of an image. How any video is made? By sending like many number of images per second. By changing the images per second, you get a video. So even a video has got pixels, even a normal sprite or the image also has got pixels. So whenever this video motion is going to interact with the sprite that is greater than 15 pixels, what should happen is my crab should hide itself. So what I'll do, I'll go to looks. I have something called hide. I'll just take hide and then hide it. So let's see if this thing is happening. If this thing is happening, our program is going to be successful. I'm just going to green flag. Yay! 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 It's working. It's working. So for this, you can give sound effects also. If you want to give sound effects, you can give sound effects. That is, each time the sprite is going to hide, you can give a pop sound. You can give any sound and then give. So start a pop sound. Start a pop sound. Or play a pop sound. Until then, you can do this. Let's see how noisy. If you're liking it, you can add sound effects. If you're not liking it, no need of adding sound effects. In the next video, I'll be telling how to note the score. That is, each time you're going to hit a crab, how to increase the score. And next, from each side, already we have from which side the crab is going to come, and then each time the any one of the crab comes and touches the apple, it is going to end the game. All these conditions I'll be telling you in the next video, so stay tuned. And for more videos and animation and designing, game designing, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends.